What is up everybody and welcome to my channel and hope you guys are having a fantastic day. And if you guys are new to this channel, then be sure to like and subscribe and notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And let's start today's video without any further ado. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how you guys can hide your Snapchat story from anyone. So it's pretty simple. So open Snapchat, and after opening Snapchat, click on your profile picture over here. And after clicking on it, you can click on this gear icon next, which is right over here. Click on it. Then you can scroll down until you see view my story option over here on setting and click on it. And then over here it's set on friend only. So what you want to do is click on custom. So over here you can, select the name of the people whom you don't want to view your story. So let's say I don't want him to view my story. I can click on, or let's say I want to choose some more people. I can select from here like this. And after selecting the people whom I don't want to see my story, I can just click on this button, go back, and then boom, now these people won't be able to see my story and other people will. So yeah, that's basically how you hide your story from anyone on Snapchat. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe and notification turned on to our channel, and share this video with your friend because it might help them as well. And comment down below if you guys have any questions related to this video. And I'm signing out. Have a nice day everybody. Bye bye.